Hi guys, so it's February 3rd and teka lang, may motorcade ngayon and nakikisama kami kasi actually hindi naman kami in-invite, wala lang, gusto namin sumamati kay ano din yun, accomplishment. Hindi lang motorcade, it's the first anniversary of birthing clinic here sa Dakotan. And then may motorcade, and then there are there's program, and then there are some mga tawag nito, basta may mga gagawin, may program. So yeah, and I don't know where Michaela is. Saan ba yun siya? Teka. It's 7:26 and yung mga bata sa elementary, syempre, nandyan na kasi most of the classes mga 7:30 ata start. And oh my gosh, ngayong mga times is ano siya, nagigising ako mga 8, 9, lalo na this week. And then ayun, ang sarap sa feeling. Char. Pero before, grabe yung duty. Like, dapat magising ka 3, 4. And then natutulog ka 1, 12. Tapos may gagawin ka pong tawag nito, nursing care plans and everything. So, like, girl, guys, wala akong load. Ang tagal. Si Angelic doon, guys, hindi siya makakapunta kasi nga early yung program and medyo malayo kasi yung salong. Si Michaela nun pa nagluluto. Si Anawam, hindi ko alam kung nasaan siya. Kung pupunta ba siya dito or not. And yun. Look at them. On her job interview. Dun, dun. Nothing could matter. Wow, machi man day imong headset og imong kuante. Bagay ra sab siya. I know nothing could matter. Gotta wish. I know nothing could matter. God, I wish something mattered to. Oh, like yeah. I take my pride.
What is interpreted dito sa
I'll take my pride, stand here for you. No, I'm not blind, just sing it through. You take my life just for the thrill. Well, balik. I know nothing could matter. God, I wish something mattered to you. I'll take my pride, stand here for you. No, I'm not blind, just sing it through. Well, you take my life just for the thrill. Well, I'll take tonight and die on this hill. I always nachos na lang.
Nachos ako, te. Support. Ano sige.
Order ka, siomay. Ha? Gusto ka? You want?
Kaman si kayo?
Order, pick up po.
Video na.
Dahil ba inyo, mga madam? Dahil ninyo. Dahil ninyo.
Hi guys, so I'm with Atalaga. Karoon na lang may nagkita guys after mga 3 years. Oh, 4? 4 no.
Kita sa pista.
4? Dili kita guys kanang
Uban.
na tug. 4 years. 4 years kay 3 naman na tas ikaw.
Anak ko.
Ano gali oh. So yeah. Wala na may kala guys. Malagay may kagay na ko lang nga. Wala ako na lang sa bang like a whole day nga.
Stable na nato sa pukanin ko yan.
Sa bate.
Oh, muna na.
Kanos pa lang?
15.
15. 17, 18. Sige. Kung na ko'y kwarta. Guys, kani siya. Nag-interview ni siya gaina. Nag-interview siya. Nagkibuhat niya tanan para sa iyang interview. Kasi job interview, guys. Tapos kay Bamon sa iyang wish. Ito yung wish.
Di madawat.
Nag-interview pa siya. Bogo kayo na. Orange pa man day.
NDRRMC 2:13 p.m. 5 Feb 26.
Guys, na siya sa iyang third step sa interview. Gusto niya mabagsak. Nainis ako guys, hindi ko siya ma-open. Like, okay lang naman to siya. Yung ano lang talaga, yung sa tawag na to. Ito, hindi ko siya ma-open guys. Kasi grabe na eh. Yan, nagaganyan siya. Tapos hindi ko na ma-loading niya naman. Kasi sobrang daming elements na ginamit ko. Magdi-delete nga ako ngayon. Hindi na lang ako magpapalay. O, yan. Ito, dito. Yan. Yan, oh my god, ngayon pa lang to. I-delete natin. 13 days ko na tong ino-open, guys. Hindi ko siya ma-open. Naiinis na ako. Hindi ko siya ma-open. Kaya hindi ko nga ma-delete to. Pero sa iba, na-open naman siya. Like, kunwari ito. Like, hindi siya loading sa ibang PPT or Canva. Dito lang. Kaya naiinis ako. Teka lang. Naiiyak ako guys. Nililist ko na yan yung part na to kanina. Hindi pa rin ako manunulay. Okay, ko manunulay. Mami Ristine. Guys. Dito tayo sa isa. Dalawa na yung ginamit ko guys. Ayaw niya pa rin. Ito guys. Kunwari yan. Okay lang yan. Per percent. Okay lang yan. Kahit gaano pa karami. 145 pages. That's fine. But once I switch into this. Yun. At wala. Hindi yan guys. Hindi yan siya magkakaano. Ito rin dito. Hindi. Ayaw niya talaga guys. Ayaw niya. Hindi ko man lang siya ma-move. Pero dito, ayan, ano na yan siya. Ito naman ano like. Oh, ayan, pero pag yan, okay lang. Namamove ko siya. Tapos, kahit saan ko, 145 pages pa yan. So, yeah. Oh, meron pa. Ayan, di ba ganyan? Pag i-reload ko yan, dahil balik uno na naman ako. Naiinis na ako, dahil. Guys, fuck shit ang Azrot. I cannot. Guys, Nagka-depress sila gingon. Like, double mint. Thank you, double mint. Oh my God. I was shocked when I saw this because I was just eating my french fries. It's already, guys, it's already 8:46. I was just eating my french fries. Yun na yung lunch ko, guys. Kasi nang dami kong kinain na french fries. And then I was just scrolling sa TikTok. And then I saw this and I know na may sila ng double mint. So, tignan ko lang. Tapos sabi ko, paano na-shoot na nila to? Kasi nag-upload na sila before pa lang. Tapos ayun, pinagpatuloy ko. And then I saw the, tawag nito, yung dot sa baba. Yung, di ba, pag malapit ka, makikita mo if malapit ka nang matapos. Tapos, it was like, I thought kasi, less than a minute lang yung video. And then, nakita ko, nandun pa siya sa pinaka-last. So, when I scrolled, 9 minutes pala yung video. I was like, oh my God, ang taas. So, tinignan ko siya, tapos ganito siya ko to. Like, it feels so illegal to watch. Sobrang, oh my God, what's happening? What's happening? Like, girl. Alam nyo guys, hindi ko siya na-continue. Kasi, I'm continuing it right now, diba? But like, diba, kumakain pa ako. Dahil hindi ko kinaya. Tapos kinig ako. Kaya naghugas muna ako, naghilot muna ako kay mama, bago ako nagpatuloy ng panonood nito ngayon. Kasi nga, oh my God, I can't take it. Ewan ko. So ngayon, oh my God, hi Asgar. Oh my God, my PBB self will not, tawag nito, basta hindi siya maniniwala sa hindi siya maniniwala sa lahat ng nangyayari sa mga ngayon. Dahil lulubog-lubita sa submarine and everything, hindi siya maniniwala sa akin. My God. All those tropa is tropa. All those walang katiting and everything. Oh my God. First, ko to, parang very invested na with the shit na medyo lumayag. Kasi before yung ko is Kaiji. Pag after is naman, Carjon. Medyo lumayag yung Carjon pero hindi masyadong din, parang hindi yung ganap ba after PBB wala masyado. Ito talaga is grabe. And then ano ba Ashlands pala. And other marami pa yun as in sobrang marami. Yung si Gino tsaka si Kiano, basta madami pa sobra. But then latest ko, Just B. As in yung Just B. Ito yung, parang, oh my God, yes, girl. Anyways, manonood na. Watch me.
I just hope you stick around with me this shit.
If you want me to stick around with you, I hope you stick around with me also. To you. Witness natin double win.
Yes.
So,
Talaga tayo. Day.
3,
2, 1, double.
Ay! Sorry. Double it. 3,
2, 1, double.
ay! Sorry.
Anyway guys, what's happening to Oya? I just saw their video sa yung sex bomb. I hope na siya ma-okay. Kaya it's different talaga yung aura guys. But she looks sad. I don't know, I don't want to assume, but It's different from her aura before. Now very bubbly. And but whatever she do, I just hope she's happy. What the heck is that? Grabe naman yan. Tapos pag inanong guys. Yan lang siya. Pero yeah, isang ganito. Sobrang dami ng Kasi 3 layers yan. 3 layers yan. Lumipat na ako ng ibang laptop guys. Sharo. Diba ang laki na ang laki niya na. And then here's my view. This is my brother's room. Laki diba? Laki. Ano siya, nasa attic.
Saan na nila? Saan sana nila?
Sayaw sa araw.
Di, mas di mo? Ang saan ang rin? Tanan sila? Tanan ko?
Lahat man baga ng kwarto.
Hey guys, so sa kari ano dyan. So yeah, ako yan siya guys. Grabe ang pagsubok sa yung dahil. Wait lang. Kay Angelic na tanan guys.
Tama sa yung makita. Nabili yung makita kay Jen. Harian na ni Jen.
Labay-labay guys sa gold dira.
Yahay kayo no? Labay-labayan na gold. Ang dami namin sa mga kaharian eh. Abatod. Ano ko kay Journey, magdala ko si Teresi.
Dala man yata siya. Ano siya?
Dala siya.
Dito. Ano siya dito?
Bantay lang.
Kasi nagdala siya.
Wala. Uy, nagtabi-tabi.
Uy, muuli na ba daw to sila papa mga auto day?
Oo.
Ito.
Adventure.
Road trip! Pwede na to sa biyahe ni Drew. Hi mga ka-sprackers! Spracker. Permahan, oh. Oy.
Ano ba yung ka-ID lang?
Salog kata.
Hindi na. Hindi na ba?
Ah, so dito rati ang lisod.
Katura dito. Gikas ranching ko. Hindi na ako si Matado.
Anong barangay hall nila dyan? Wow, na second floor! Grabe, ang karyan ni Julie.
Ang kapitan na adiri. Si Angkol. Uy, grabe Jude.
Wow, na second floor.
Tuto.
Uy, masarap ba? Kasi ko Angela Julie ko. Kada ko sa mga.
Ay, iro ka. Wala kay ba? Wala kay kuan.
Wow. Ay, mo pa pag-abot
Ano
nila.
sila?
Ay, wow, ang beaches ni Julie, guys.
Uy, kagaw pa.
Uy, kanay.
Uy, si Epi na kanindot og bitches.
Wow. Ito ni Julie, guys.
Nahaligad mi sa salo ko. Balik na mo.
Papa dito si Julie, guys. Nagdiretso kami dire. Ang iro guys.
Indot sa kaharian ni Jilik, guys. Oh my God. Unsa mo sa salo?
Welcome sa kaharian ni Julie.
Process of planning. Dinisgutan ay national population na 46 og ang 40 adto nag
Bye, Kaspracker! Kaspracker, bye-bye ba?
Satra pag makabalik ka Esperanza.
I love you! Paalam, baby. Say hi. Cuma na? Cuma na? Hah? Hah? Aray.
Gonna let it go tonight. Thousand shades of blue dancing in your
Maayong gabi, Cruising Luna! My name is Celia Leone Pariñas, 45, ang headline ng Burok 4!
Candidate number 1, 9 is Mary.
Happy Valentine's. Wait. I can buy naman pala. Happy Valentine's Day. I mean, hindi ako bumili nito. Pero akin yung pera. Ako kasing lumabas, so. Ako lumabas. So, nabili ko yung bundle ko. That's fine. Rasa. My mama. Si mama nagbayad si Cadre Paris. Cute and this. Sushi. Ay. Ay. So yum. So yum. Sushi, sushi. Guys, wala na ko yung upaan guys. Tanaw mo oh. Samot siya. Wala na na eh. Ang bilis guys. In-order ko to last week. Ang bilis. So guys, grocery na. So farm on na akong grocery. Sa man, Tender Jose?
Virginia maghapon.
So, Virginia prefers people me guys. Ayun ang na cheese oil, load man ang na cheese. Marag lami ang Tender Jose ka.
Tender Jose. Ganyan.
Jumbo man na, ayun ang jumbo be. Kaya malutog pa. I've been craving for this for almost 2 weeks. Every night. My gali. Nag-grocery ni guys. 2 weeks. walang nuts because I hate nuts. I mean, not hate. I just don't like it. Kahit dahil murag nagpasto. You freeze, like very freeze. Wait a minute. Good. Yes, di pa rin tapos. It's February.
Ay, ma'am, barangay?
Kita kate. Live nga kanina. Ha? Pinipikawan. Mali ko piling ko. Kaman.
Charan! Charan! Back! Hi guys! Duty tag, duty. Oh my god, guys. I don't have lip tint na pala. I need to. Reapply. Bayan banget na siya dito.
Ay, unsay mga problema na angay sulbaron. Oh, problema nga angay sulbaron nga dali ra siya masulbar. So, sigon sa
Hi, Pia. Mani ka di. Magawas ka di. Alam mo itong kuan. Bakong bayhana o. Ito. Bakong ko pa. Karabay mo? Ha? Ayok lang. Sila si Google. Hindi ka na live ba?
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Pangit pa na hudra.
Birthday ni Tintin guys nga. Ako manghod ang kasmit. Ako'y naadito.
Okay, ano siya kay Gaina. Tingnan ko naman na siya. Ako, ba na ni si Dorothy?
Di ba ako mang-invite na niya? Manghod ba yan na si friend ko nga. Hi guys, so patukog taas. Guys, you know what? I'm gonna show you my notebooks na kukunin ko kasi nga yung mga notebooks ko guys, sorry, ito yung taas naman, atik. Akong mga notebooks guys, mga binders, to sa Leyte na bilhin, and hindi ko gusto magpalit. Kaya, katong nasa Leyte guys, kuhaan to siya, kanang, they call that, so, daghan to, as in daghan, na A4, na I B5, and all that. O niya, daghan to. So, di ko ganahan magpalit. Kaya sayang. And I need to do some notes right now. Kay, yeah, naku, ipang notes. So, I think it's time to use my notebooks that I never got to use. Kay, I was saving it for the right time. And I think this is the right time. Kay, ano kasi before, every year, kapalit mo gamit. And yeah, every year, I got to save some notebooks na masayangan ko gamitan, kaya manindutan ko. And most of it, guys, are Barbie. Kaya ganahan ko. So, yeah. Tanaw na to, ha. So, maani. Nabanda eh, wala din eh. Hindi sulod. Ako din yung isulod pa. The photo albums here. Naday siya diri, guys. Yan. These are the notebooks. Mani ang mga gamit nga, never na ako nagamit guys, and it was like, elementary pa ko, ani guys. I was in elementary, so mauni, kani, dili ni elementary, nagamit na ni, gamit na ni siya, pero, this one, kani, o kani, guys, kani siya, gamit siya. My number one, ingon sa akong number one ako nga ginaingon sa akong brother. Never nila hilabtan. Kasi, di ko gusto, I hate na. Ginahilabtan akong gamit. So, kani, gikuan sa amo ang kanang working, pero sa dira, nagamit na siya niya, pero, that's fine. So, yeah. These are my favorites. Actually, different years ni sila gipamalit, guys. This one, obviously, same year na, kana sila, same year, and then muna same year, and then this one, this Malibu, and I think kani is same year. I know, I don't think so guys, nagpalit lang ko same I think kani o kani, may same year, tas kani o kani, same year. This one, same year. This one, same year. Orions din siya guys. So, same year. Orions. And then Avanti. And other Avantis. And then this one, my Malibu Barbie. Ano yung mga Barbie? Same year po din. So, you know guys, I was, what did I do? Guys. Uy. Okay, so, eto. Favorite ko din to. Favorite ko talaga to, guys. Alam nyo, I was looking for this sa Shopee. And then, I found nothing. Dinescribe ko na talaga, guys. Ito yung brand and all that. Ano yung brand nito? Favorite ko din. Ano yung brand nito? Manufactured by... Anong brand nito? Favorite ko din talaga to, guys. Kaya... Yan, this mga pambata to. Yeah, mga kwentong pambata. Oh, reduce, reuse, recycle. Feeling kwentong tapos. Eto, mga used na to dito. Used. Ayan, used na siya. Ayan, may Elsa pa. Oh, wait a minute. I think I'm gonna use this. Kasi, mas bet ko tong ganito, guys. Para mas maliit na, Ayan. Wait. Oh, yeah. Ito, hindi pala used. Oh my gosh, ang dami. Dami ko pang notebook. Okay, yeah. Diba? From different school year to, guys. Iba to. Ibang school year to. Ibang school year din to. Ito sila. Yan. Ito, tsaka to. Oh my god. Nagagandahan ako sa cover. Kaya, oh my god, ganda talaga na ito. Oh my gosh. Ito, tsaka to. Then ito, when I was in, I was in grade 11. So, yeah. Ito. Ano ba yan? Grade 11. Grade 12 yan. Grade 12 to, guys. Math script. Ay, meron na pala to. Meron na pala to. Asan ba yung Wala pa. Ito pala yung wala pa. Yan. Same din yan na year. Ito yung meron na. I think, pandemic to, guys. Kasi wala akong magawa. Year 2018 pala to, guys. Hindi pala pandemic. Tagal na nito. So, ito yan sila. Ayan, ito, tsaka to. 2018. So, anong grade na ko yun? This is a songbook. Yesterday's dream, demons, when the days are cold. Life is a fairy tale. Oh, wala akong ganito, guys. Believe. Shine. Wow. Alam nyo, guys, eto, stickers na to, kinakat ko yan, and then, para siyang, bond paper lang to, guys, tapos, may siya, nilalagyan ko siya ng, scotch tape, para shining, shimmering, splendid, kaya, ayan, para siya nagsha-shine. So, yeah, let the love begin, perfect to, you can be the peanut butter to my jelly. You can be the butterflies that feel in my belly. Ano to? Ay! Okay. Ano ko yan? November 4, 2018 to my best friends. I think ano lang to. Nakita ko lang to na quote sa One day, all of us will get separated from each other. We will miss our conversations of everything and nothing, and the dreams we had. Days, months, years will pass until the contact becomes rare. One day, our children will see our pictures and ask, who are these people? And we will smile with the invisible tears, because a heart is touched with a strong word, and you will say, it was them that I had the best day of my life with. Okay, pregnant ko nga. Oy! Okay, where I stand? Ano yun? Yung sa sa Bella Thorne na movie. I have seen 1,000 things, 1,000 miles, and what they bring to this world and to this home. But where I stand, well, I don't know. And then, okay, chorus. But I have walked alone. But this is Cinderella. With the stars in the moonlit night, I have walked alone. No one by my side. Okay, another one. Sometimes life can be a royal pain on top of the world. Gabay. Gabay. Hala, ganun mo ng ano ko dito. The handwriting ko. Try. And then, Can You Feel the Love Tonight? One of my favorite cartoons. And Lion King. And then, Can You Feel the Love Tonight ni Elton John. Okay. Kasi, iba-iba sila ng version. And then, Deathbed. Okay. No, 2018 ka pa rin Deathbed. Summer's Just Begun. Summer's Just Begun. And Reroll This Cool. Oo naman. And, ay, kala ko yung last na yun. How to Believe. And then, How to Believe. Another one. Oh, that was the last one. Okay, wow naman. And then this one is iba din to. Ibang year din to. So, this is okay, ilabas natin lahat ng notebook dito. Hindi pa nagagamit. Stay lang natin dito yung nagamit. Okay, ito. Gamit na to. Yeah, gamit na siya. This one, okay. And then here, gamit na yata to. Yeah, gamit na siya. And then this one, I think, gamit na din. Pero these are one of my favorites, guys. Talaga. Sobra. Tsaka yung ano niya din. Konti pa lang yung gamit sa kanya. Okay. And this one. Ito guys, yung mga notebooks na to is, oh my gosh. Alam nyo guys, ano to? These are the list of my books na nabasa. During that time, I was like, I don't know, when I was in high school to. So, hanggang dito. Oh, wow, ang dami day. Wow. Ano may mga authors ba yan? Pero hindi, hanggang saan? 367. I don't know kung ano to. I don't know kung anong year na to, pero yun. Basta yan yun. Yan. Uy! Okay. Favorite ko guys. Dante High. Favorite. And then, yung mga may heart yun. And then, Listen to Her. And then, of course, dito tayo nag-start guys. Sa mga Choose, Rewind, and Stand Still. Wow. Okay, sige. Basta yan. 300 plus na. What books lang yan, guys. And then, ewan ko bakit ko nabasa. Paano ko nabasa lahat yan? Anyways, hindi. Meron pa, I'm pretty sure naging 500 na po na dinagdagan ko lang ng hindi lang 500. Madami na ako basa ulit. Pero madalang na lang kay. Oh my gosh, ano to? Ito naman is math. Ito, physics ba yun? Diyan ka. Ito, tapos na to. Ano ba to? Math. I don't know, I'm still keeping all of these. Huwag na to. Ayan, wala na. Ano ba? Ayan, ang dami naman. Guys, ito pala yung favorite book ko. This is my favorite book. It was given to us by my tita, and I have these for... I have, 7 of this. And, yeah, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. It's When the World Began. This is Adam and Eve. And, yun nga, yun yung first book. Actually, madami to guys. Sobrang dami kasi set to eh. And, yung iba, nasa ibang pinsan ko din. Kasi nga, tita ko yung nagbigay. So, yung akin, yung sa aming dalawa ng kapatid ko, 7. So, this is a set. Kaya, tinadala ko siya sa, ewan ko, saan yung iba. Nakita ko yung iba sa, mas pa pala to. Pumili pa naman ako. Okay, bababa ko. Oh, here! Here it is. Okay, ito yung iba. And then, may nakita pa ako sa iba pa. So, ayan, this is the first. So, wala dito yung 2, 3. Kasi nandito yung 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. So, ito yung 2, 3 yung nasa baba. Nakita ko yun. So, ito yung first, When the World Began. And, ayan. So, ayan siya. It's really nice, guys. As in, it's really nice that I really, oh my God, bobo talaga ako. I keep on reading this, guys, before. Teka lang, mag-chats pa. So, ayan. Okay. I'm gonna read you a story. Okay? Igagana na lang natin, guys, ha? Okay. Teka lang. Guys, I need to, go on. Oh my gosh. Guys, need na ako muna okay magdungag ko, pero okay, I'm gonna read this to you guys. I'm gonna read this to you, to my viewers in the future, to myself in the future. I'm gonna read this to you. Kasi baka mawala to and sa susunod. So, sana naman hindi, but at least may ako. Okay, I'm gonna read this. Bababa ko to. I'm gonna continue this parang haul. Ayan, dictionary. May photocopy pala ako dito. Okay. And then, ayan, attendance guys. Naging secretary ako. Attendance to. Ayan. So, oh my gosh. I think, teka lang. Nagamit ba to? Nagamit pala. Ano ba to? There's no pangit po, Abby. It's fine. Can never define you. Meron pa akong mga big notebooks. Ito yung gagamitin ko. Ay, buti na lang. Oy! Bote na lang. Oh, what's this? Oh. Oh. Okay, anyways. Let's put this back here, and here, and here. Ito na lang pala gagamitin ko, guys. Okay, fine na. So, all of these still gonna stay. Oo nga pala. Ay, this one. Okay, let me show you this one. Tara! So, these are my old paper toys. So, ayan siya. Ang dami kong, guys. Alam nyo, ayan. Ito, marami to. Mas marami pa to before. Nakuhaan na. Guys, alam niyo yung favorite ganto ko. Yung favorite ganto ko is Barbie. Meron bang Barbie dito? Wait lang. Let's see if meron bang Barbie dito. Oh. Hindi. Oh, no. Ay, ito pala. Sophia the First. And then, asan ba yung Barbie na yun? Alam nyo guys, there's Barbie before and ay, ito. Minsan na lang to guys. Ayun. Ayan, Barbie. Alam nyo guys, marami akong ganito before na Barbie halos lahat. Tapos guys, alam nyo yung ginawa ng parents ko? Me and my brother were fighting that time. Ang ginawa nila. Kasi nung time na yun, kakaano lang ng baha. Ayan, ito pa Barbie. Kakaano lang ng baha. Tawag nito? Hubas. And then, ayun, ito pa Barbie. Tapos, guys, nag-away kami ng kapatid ko. And there's Dunlock. Putik ba? Putik. And then, Ginawa ng parents ko, guys. Lahat ng stickers ko na Barbie. Stickers tawag namin dito. Stickers. So, ewan ko din, but stickers. Pero, text or stickers. Basta stickers tawag namin dyan. Ginawa ng parents ko, guys. Nilubog nila sa putik lahat. Yung putik before, guys. Hanggang dito siya. Kasi nga, baha. Danlak, baha. So, ayun. Doon. Ito pa. Ayun lahat ng Barbie ko, guys. Doon sa putikan. I was like crying. Nakonsensya naman sila, guys. Pero wala na. Hindi na. Wala nang maano yung konsensya nila, guys. Kasi ubos na. Wala nang Barbie na San Goku na lang lahat. San Goku na lang lahat ng ng nagbebenta. Hindi na Barbie. Kaya, ayun. Umiyak lang ako, guys. Alam nyo, guys, kinuha ko pa yun sa putik. Kinuha ko pa yun sa putik, guys. Kasi nga, like, minsan lang talaga yung merong Barbie, guys. O, kadalasan, ito, Angry Bird. Ay, ang ganda naman. Angry Bird. Ito, guys, lagi itong nananalo, in fairness. Angry Bird, tapos San Goku, yung mga ganyan-ganyan, San Goku. Wala naman, minsan lang naman yung Barbie, guys. Tapos, ginanon pa nila yung Barbie ko. As in talaga, guys. Iyak ako na iyak. Ayun, kadalasan ito, San Goku. Tsaka Ben 10 din, oo. Ayun, tapos wala nang Tsaka Dora, meron din yung Dora eh. Ayun, Barbie pa, meron pang Barbie. Basta, guys, talaga. Ewan ko ba kapag bumibili ako, San Goku or Angry Bird. And then, guys, alam nyo, meron din ako mga ganito. And then, this one, guys, din pala. Ito talaga Pokemon. Madami na Pokemon. Ayan, yung mga ko dyan, mga paper dolls, and many other more. And anyways, guys, balik na natin to kasi, oh my gosh, mag-ano pa ako sa saing. Anyways, bye! Balik na natin to, guys. Okay, ito pala. Basta ilang years ko tong inipon. Na, kung hindi lang talaga ako guys. Hindi lang talaga. Okay. Bye. Hi guys, so now mauni ang mga libro. Ay, wait, kuhaon akong ang duha. Ito to, duha. Balik ko ako kamot, guys. So guys, ito na. Nagluto muna ako. And everything bago ako bumalik. Sobrang guys. Sobrang cold. Hey, grabe guys, umuulan talaga siya. Ito na nga pala yung dalawa. It's Too Much Water and Boy in a Basketball. Ito yung pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat. A Boy in a Basketball. Next to this. Is it next to this? Or pantay sila? Yeah. Ito yung first. This is the second. Yeah. Second. The third. The fourth. The fifth. Sixth. And then seventh. Guys, alam nyo, it's already, ngayon? Thursday. And this Saturday, we are supposed to go sa Leyte. And kinakabahan ako kasi bumabagyo, guys. And then, parang may trauma na ako dun sa 3 days kaming stranded sa barko. And, nung time na yun, grabe, doon na kami nag-brush sa CR ng sa CR ng port. Doon, as in, like, girl, doon na kami, naliligo kami, guys, doon sa doon sa labas. And then, need mo pa magbayad. And then, guys, it's really small. Tapos, I don't know. Basta, ang small niya. Tapos, ayoko yung natatas yung, syempre, tiles ng kasi hindi naman siya masyadong malinis. And then, syempre, uncomfortable ka. Basta, hindi mo sariling CR, diba? So, yeah. Ayoko na ng ganun. Anyways, ito yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7. Bata pa lang kami, guys. Nandito na to sa amin. Kung babansin nyo, ganyan yung niya. yung ano niya, yung tawag nito. Ganyan siya. May mga ganito. Because nabahaan na kasi siya, guys. Pero wala man naman na. See this? Done na kami, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna review this one. The first book, which is When the World Began. Okay. When the World Began, told by Raymond H. Wootley, illustrated by G.M. Eugenio, and a Tell It Again story, copyright 1970 by Philippine Publishing House. Okay. Ay, gagamin ko na lang sa inyo, guys, tapos ako magbabasa dito. Have you ever wondered where you came from? Perhaps mother has told you about how you once were a little baby. There was a time when your mother was a little baby too. And before that, her mother was a little baby. So, yan, memorize ko yun, guys. Yun na part na yun. Have you ever wondered about the very first mother and the very first father? How about the very first puppy or kitten? When did the sun begin to shine for the first time? Tama ba? When did the sun, and then, try natin ko, began to shine for the first time, and when did the rivers begin to flow? Kung yun ba? Ayun. Begin to shine for the first time, and when did the river begins to flow? Okay. Ito pala yung, ano niya, yung illustration. There was a time when everything was brand new. The sea was new, and the sky was new, and all the trees were new. This was a long time ago. It was so long ago that no one living now can remember it. In fact, when this world began, there was no one living in this world, but God was there, and God wrote a book that tells all about this world began. This is a book we can call the Holy Bible. When man makes something, he has to use something else. But when God makes something, he can make it out of nothing. God can do anything. When God began to make this world, at first there was nothing there. Then God spoke, and into the empty space there came a great big wet glob of stuff. It did not look like a world then, because it was not round like the world is now. And it did not have anything on it like it does now. In fact, if you had been there, you could not even have seen it, for everything was black and dark. So, ito yun siya. Yun siya. Okay, yun yung next. God spoke again. Let us have some light. Suddenly, there was bright light all around. Where the light came from, we do not know. God has many ways of making light. Wherever God is, there is light. God said, "This is a good light. We will call the light day, and we will call the dark night." So every day, we have a little bit of light and a little bit of night. Okay? God made both of them. When God first made this world, it was wet, very, very wet. In fact, the world was covered with water and there was no air. Okay, here's the illustration in this page. On the second day, God said, "It is time now to make some air. Let us have some air." As soon as God spoke, there was a thick blanket of air all around the new world. It was good, clean air. Some of the moisture or water that was on the world went up into the air to make the clouds. They helped to keep the world not too hot and not too cold, but just right. On the third day, God spoke again. He spoke to the water that covered all the world. "Water," God said, "move back. Give room for the land to come up." Here's the illustration in this page. And do you know? The water did just that. God can do anything. All he does is just speak, and all of the natures obey him. The wind, the sea, the stars, everything. Let us have some grass and trees on the land, God said. That will make the land pretty. God likes to have pretty things. He covered all the land with the pretty trees and vines and flowers. The wind waved the branches of the trees and picked up the sweet smell of the flowers and carried it all over the world. On the fourth day, God said, "The earth needs a sun to give light in the day and to help the trees and flowers grow. It needs a moon to give light at night and to keep the seas moving." So God made these things. He also made the stars, and on the night of his fourth day, they shone brightly in the sky. On the fifth day, God said, "The earth is very pretty now. The sea waves wash up on the beaches, but they do not cover the land. The land is beautiful with grass and all kinds of trees and flowers. But it is so quiet. We will soon change that." So, God made the birds and taught them how to sing. Oh, how their music filled the air. From the forests and from the meadows and even from the seashores, bird music was everywhere. Down inside the sea, God made the fishes and the whales and the octopuses and the corals and all kinds of sea life. So many it would take too long to name them all. Everything that God made was just perfect. It could not be any better or any lovelier. On the sixth day, God was very busy. This was the day he made the animals. And oh, so many kinds of animals he made. Big ones and little ones, brown and yellow, black and white. Some crawled and some ran. Some came out in the day, some came out at night. Some animals mooed and some went hee-haw. Some animals were making noises almost all the time, and some did not make any noise at all. There was one thing about these animals that you might think was very strange. They were all kind to one another. None of the animals tried to hurt any of the other animals. Here's the animals. Or to eat them up. God made them good and kind, for that is the way God is. Then God said, "All of these things that we have made are good and beautiful, but they are not enough. There is one more thing for us to make. We must make man. We will make man to be like us. He will be able to think and to talk and to enjoy beauty like we do. We will put him in charge over all the animals and the fishes and the birds." So God took some of the good clean dirt he had made and he shaped it into the form of a man. Yun na, si Adam and Eve. Then God leaned over and breathed into the nose of the man, and he became alive. God had created a man. He called the first man Adam. Then God did something very strange. God had Adam go to sleep, and he took a bone, a rib, out of Adam's side, and from his bone God made a woman. This seems very strange to us, but remember, God can do anything. He created the world just by speaking. It was easy for him to make a woman out of a rib. This first woman God called Eve. So the first man and woman, the first daddy and mother, were called Adam and Eve. Adam and Eve were the parents and the grandparents of everybody who has ever lived. So many grandchildren they had. No matter what language we speak or what the color of our skin, everybody on the world has Adam and Eve for his grandparents. We're all brothers and sisters and grandmothers and cousins and I don't know. On the seventh day, God did not do any work. All his work was done. God was not tired. Oh no! But he was happy with his work. May oh no talaga yun, guys. Ayan. Oh no! He was happy with his work. It was all very good. The flowers were the prettiest flowers that could be. The animals were the most interesting that animals could be. And the man and the woman were the wisest that people could be. Wisest, ikaw nag-apple. Ayan pala. God told the trees and flowers that they should bear seed and have more trees and flowers. He told the birds and the animals that they should all have babies and fill the earth with all kinds of interesting creatures. Adam and Eve, God said, "You must have children too, so that there will be plenty of people on earth, and I will love them as much as I love you." God was so happy. Teka lang guys. God was so happy with the earth and the work he had done that God said to Adam, "Kinsa may nagpulis-pulis ani? I will make the seventh day to be a birthday. Every seventh day that comes, you must stop whatever you are doing and rest as I have done. Every time the seventh day comes, it will remind you of how I made you. It will remind you of how I created the world in just 6 days. You must always remember that I am your maker, and all of your happiness comes from me." Bye guys, na akong parents. I'm just gonna eat. Aray! Mananulay.
Panggunit lagi na.
Kabahan na kayo guys. Ang taas ng kuan sa batas. Ako sobra bang agos. Kabahan na kayo. Nisa ka ng tubig.
Doon na to ta?
Ha?
Doon na to?
Hi guys. So tomorrow is dapat ang palaga namin. And here's my malata already. And I'm gonna pack. Oh my god, I forgot the passcode. Yes. Chalan ko muna guys. So now, I'm gonna pack my things and leave. There's the door. There's the door, bitch. Okay. Okay guys, it's still raining. Still not yet sure if madayon ba may ugma kay syempre mabuk man og dagat, so I don't know, but I hope we can leave tomorrow because there's a lot of things to prepare pa when we so ito yung ano niya guys, ito yung laman niya. Make sure. That's why I think maganda ko habol. Ba't yan nagawin ko ano yung kaya? Ba't hindi man so on check siya. Yeah. Okay. Okay, hold on. And then put like something like here. This one shorts and t-shirt here. Here. And then this one. Here. And then this, okay, wait lang. Okay. Then pants. Okay, pants. And then shorts. Oh, the little shorts here. Going to pants. Wait. Let me show shorts. Going to pants. Pajamas. I don't want to do that always, but I think I should get some more pants. I think, yeah. Okay, I put it here, and bought more pants, guys. Okay, guys, so I bought another pants. Ay, nalito siya kung another pants and a belt for this pant. Kanina pants. Nice. Okay. Need na siya pag yung more. Guys, you know what? Only 2 to 3, 2 to 3 to 3 to 4 days na ko dito, guys. So, I don't know why I bought so many things, but it's better. It's already tough. It's already diba? This one, that's open. Okay, so I have this for my undergarments. Mali ko to na yun. Like, kung saan naman yung siya dahil? What's happening to you? Wait lang ha. At ayun na naman. Okay. So, guys, ako na naman siya pang 1 week. Charot, hindi pa rin ako guys. Kaya ako baliktad doon. Not even kidding. Ay, basta just in case. Just in case, because ako po ito and it's already going in. Bakit naman ang kabiwali ako dito. So, just in case. And then, okay, this one, may towel. Diyan kami kung need ba o habol for online or something. Wait lang ako, go on. We also have shampoo, toothbrush, conditioner, tapos ilang na to ilang sa inako isod guys because kulang pa siya, wala pa siya toothpaste, tapos ang mga skincare isod ko din, I'm still using it, so very sad siya. Okay, side up, and yeah, for this one, kanino to? Okay, then what else? Ay, power banks. You know what, girls, ako, I'm gonna bring this, my curler. Okay, hindi naman pagbawa ko dito, but of course it should look presentable, right? Kasi wala ako diba? Yeah, I think I should bring it. Kasi hindi yeah, I think I should bring it. I think I should bring it. And I'm just gonna put it here. Yeah. What else? Oh. This is it, Pansit, guys. February 20, 2026. I'm still here, but pilat ako ang kuwan tong niagi 180 na ron. Itong niagi, I guess, mga 80 plus lang. Ayun. Where my spot map? Ayan. Ayan. What river? Hi guys, so it's Saturday and my maleta's already here and it's ready. It's just that I just want to sleep and I'm supposed to go mga 9:30 to 10 something. Anyways, One, two, three, go.
Sa session ng good mom nila kay Dili siya.
it was really cold. Oh, kay among ni ko. Alo, ito among ni. Oh, mid-sharing session. Yes, mid-sharing. Ano uy, masama ni Nicole.
barangay as scholar? Yes po. Ano naman na?
Kapit na kumalit sa deadline sa school at kahit nung muli ko. Ewan mo ko yung mga person. Pwede ulit sa ako. Wala so, di ano na akong ipaglaban ka mo. Parang bigyan ko yung papel.
Nag-garter na siya. 5 minutes left na lang sa pagbilang. Buon bitaw. Dili siya lain.
Di man?
Di siya lain.
Ano sila guys?
Oo, maligay! Lahat ang virgin!
Ito seminar, hindi niya makaya mag-reito.
Nga naman nga, mag-take note di ay siya. Mag-take note siya ta din.
Pero pagkaon na tambal. Pagkaon?
So, dito
Ikaw mo kayo
po,
magpagkatong pagkaon.
live po sa Aida Donoso's residence. Okay naman eh. 1, 2, 3, 4 siblings, 4 sons of Aida Donoso. Kaya nagkuhan sila guys na regular meeting, regular session. Unsa na yung oras? 5:27. Tapos wala kami nakagikan. Uli kami og tagmina.
Dapat guys, nakauli nila sila alas 5. Ready na sila alas 5 niya. Nangabot ang tanan.
Isa-isa sila nangabot guys. Late ang uban, pero better late than never.
Yes, 5:30 na.
Tapos, guys, napakoy tiwason nga quiz. Napakoy mo nga G-Farm. Tapos kami nakaulit.